Hi, it's Joy from Liberate IT, part of the marketing department here, and today I'm excited to share a sneak peek into our day as we're at Broadway Cinema installing brand new Fanvil phone systems. As you can see, the current phones at Broadway are very outdated and had a lot less features than the new Fanvil phones. They definitely needed an upgrade. We're setting up new phones in every room, plus we're introducing the 3CX soft phone app, making it convenient for staff to connect from anywhere, whether it be on mobile phones or desktops, providing flexibility especially for on-the-go calls. Once the phones have been installed, Chris and Alex are now configuring them. As you can see here, Chris is in the zone, making sure the setup process goes smoothly. And then here is me at the end giving you a little satisfying phone peel. We're actually setting up a few days before they go live, side by side, for a seamless transition. Now, a bit of a trigger warning for these spaghetti cables, but don't worry, the team have organised them and look at that difference. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or any specific IT content you want to see next, drop us a comment below and let us know.